In this video, we're going to discuss how to do portal announcements. Now, Dibcase has a client portal, and we have the ability to send a announcement to each one of the portals for all of your users, clients that have a portal. And you can also put an image into the portal. So for example, Thanksgiving, Christmas, you can put a little image in there. Okay, so once you do that, you push the little send button, and all of your clients that have a portal will be there. So let's go take a look. We're in John Public's page, and we're going to open his portal. He will get an email saying that an announcement has been added to your portal. So all of your clients can get that email announcement was. So inside of the portal, under the announcements tab on the dashboard of the portal, they'll see that, and they can also see a list of all of your announcements on the announcements page. So once again, you send an announcement, an email is automatically sent to every client that has a portal that tells them to log into their portal to see the announcement, and that's it.